Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the third rule for determining the value of the keyword this, explicit binding. We learned that using call, apply, and bind can change the context of the keyword this. Now let's see how we can fix our previous issue by using call. The first code block is identical to what we saw before, but let's see what's happening in the second section. Previously, we were calling person.dog.sayHello, which was returning hello undefined. This happened because the value of the keyword this inside of the sayHello function refers to the dog object, which does not have a first name property. Since we're using call, we can now change what we want the value of the keyword this to be. So let's change it to be the person object. Now that we've done that, we can see that the function returns hello colt, and our issue is fixed. We can also use the determine context function inside the dog object and change the value of the keyword this to make the function return true. One important thing to note is that we are not invoking the sayHello or determine context method. We just attach call onto it, so there are no parentheses after sayHello and determine context when we use call. Very commonly, call is used to avoid code duplication like this example below. Here we have two objects, Colt and Ellie, which both have a first name property and a say hi method. While this code works totally fine, we're repeating ourselves quite a bit inside of the Ellie object. The say hi method inside of the Ellie object is identical to the say hi method inside of the Colt object. How can we refactor our code and get rid of the say hi method inside of the Ellie object? What we really like to do is use the say hi method from the Colt object, but instead of the keyword this referring to Colt, we want to explicitly set it to be the Ellie object. Pause the video now and see if you can figure out how to solve the problem using call. Let's take a look at a solution. We removed the say hi method from the Ellie object, and we are using call to set the value of the keyword this to be Ellie when the say hi method is being invoked. The first parameter to the call method is what we want the keyword this to refer to. We call that the this arg. Once again, this stuff is quite tricky, so if you're feeling a bit confused, look at the previous slide and make sure you type these examples into the Chrome console to see exactly what's going on. In the next video, we're going to take a look at apply and see how we can set the context of the keyword this using apply, as well as passing arguments to the function in which we call apply on. See you there.